The submission of UDI data to the authorities such as UDMED, FDA and other global medical device databases can be very complex and time-consuming. At Europe IT Consulting, we have developed a simple Microsoft Excel-based solution for customers using a wide variety of ERP systems. In collaboration with our UDI data submission service, you only need to fill out the Excel file with your UDI data and send it to us. The Excel file includes a dashboard where all sections are listed. In the first section, you can get an overview and read about the meaning of all UDI fields. In the second section, you can fill in the basic UDI and the UDI DI data and their dependent data fields. In the third section, the code list, you can look up which values can be entered into the UDI data fields. Entering the data is straightforward. Only the required fields should be filled out. You link related data records by entering your basic UDI code and the product material number at the beginning. To ensure error-free data submission, we perform a validation check beforehand that verifies the plausibility of the data even before the submission. Errors are reported to you by email. If the validation is successful, the data is submitted via our IS4 server to the relevant authority. You will receive an email notification of the successful submission. We look forward to supporting you in this process.